Welcome students. This is the second part of if statement, else statement or if else, right? Else if statement, right? In this part I want to explain nested if contents, right? I keep some spaces. I use this if and I can add many if statement inside this 20, then int p number plus 2. P equal 22, then 22, else we can use to not 22, right? I want to explain how your program go, right? Then I use some debug point and run your project. Until your debug point it will work properly, right? Ask users to enter any value, no hit. User enter 20, check that. I want to hit to this place, that's why I use 20, right? Then hit this line. Now you can use, actually you can add many debug point also like this, right? But you can use this option, right? It said press F10 key. F10 is easy, we always use F10 debug one line by one line, right? Now P is 22, that means number is 20. In this line number plus 2, then P is 22. Then check P is 22, yeah, that is 2. Then comes to here, right? Then not check this part, then go to this line, check number is equal to 2, not 20, then not execute this line, then check, right? Then check this one also not equal, this one also not true, then again check this else statement, right? These all are not executed, then it automatically select else statement, right? Then it will return 20. That's it. Use F10 and now you can see all the lines that used to return value. This line is hidden. Think about this. First ask user to enter some value, user enter 20, then print this line, right? 20 print, then P plus 2 22, then that one also equal, then this one print, right? Then not going to check else statement, again check this if statement, not true, this one also not true, this one also not true, then use else statement and user enter 20, that will print, right? This is the process how if statement work. Remember this thing, your program always run top to bottom, left to right process, but your program start from C#, this main method, right? Whatever thing you keep in main method, it will execute top to bottom, left to right, then top to bottom. It will execute. Remember this thing. You can add many if statement inside one if statement. If or else, right? You can use this part, this else statement also. Nested if condition inside here also, right? They check this thing with brackets. If this statement is false, they are not going to check this part. If this is false, they directly check this one, right? That's the way. But with many if statements, many else statements, this is not good, right? So we use different techniques. Some looping with if statement, some switch cases, like that, right? In next lesson we talk about these things. Actually, I think you know if statement, right? That's why I select some example to explain what is if statement, right? If you come with any programming knowledge background, you have knowledge with if statement, right? Okay, now you should commit your changes to GitHub. Changes if else statement. If else and else, if else if and else. Okay, it doesn't matter. Keep this, then sync, push your changes to master, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Let's move into next lesson.